Now here's how you can block unwanted messages on your Android, and let's get started. So at first, there are some options. If you have only specific numbers or people that keep messaging you, you can block those individual numbers. Like you can even do it from the actual messages app. Like you can click on the number and block that caller, or you can find it inside of the settings. Under the messages section, you have the ability to block numbers and spam, and you can choose the block messages there, or check out just block number, right? So you can block calls from unknown numbers, and I guess it would also apply to the messages here as well. So I would recommend you to have that turned on. Outside of that, you have some other options. For example, you might explore some different messages apps. There is one called Mezzo Spam Blocker, and it is an app which can replace your default messages. So you will use this to, text everybody, but this application has some sort of spam filters built in. You can block unknown messages or even a text by keyword, which is actually very useful. You can block business numbers or email texts, right? So you have some options, and it is actually pretty useful to ensure that you only receive actual proper messages from people you know, right? So you might get at this app and actually make it your default and apply these filters. So yeah, as I say, there are plenty of different options, and in fact, this is not even the only app which you can use for this purpose. Plenty of other similar apps, but this is the main principle. So either block it specifically by numbers or using the built-in solution, or you can get a third-party messages app which has more blocking and spam filtering features in place. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions regarding this. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later.